is because there is something in you that the situation wants to come and take. Because isimo siyisigebengu sithatha izinto esingazitshalanga ekungasizo nezakhe. Isimo ke leso. Isimo esibi ekungasesona hayi ngizokuyeka ngoba ungizwa kahle. Yo, you have the right to command a situation. Uyikhombisa umnyango because wena mntansekhaya uhlulwa isitha sakho. Isitha sakho akusuwona umuntu, isitha sakho isimo sakho. Because when you ngize ngiyasha ngiyavutha ngiyasha ngizojuluka ngagijimanga ngizojuluka Nkosi. Now lalela ukuthi ngithini. Isimo uma usuqedile uma singena kuwe, the reason why singapheli, the reason why uloku ubona ngathi it's been years, you have been suffering for years, akuhlangani. The reason why mawuthi uyahleka wena, mawuthi uyajabula akupheli kahle empilweni yakho, it is because asikaqedile isimo. Sisuke singene kuwe sazi ukuthi la ngiyothola konke engikufunayo, ngiyothola impumelelo yalo muntu, ngiyothola ukuhlakanipha, ngiyothola ukuzikhanya, ngiyothola konke, ngiyothola ukuzitshela. Isimo ke leso. Kunomunye umuntu la ngimbonayo ukuthi isitha indoda. No. Isitha kube yilama feelings owawathatha wena wawanikeza indoda kunokuthi ungazithandi wena. Indoda yakho noma umuntu ongasekho empilweni yakho akusisona isitha sakho. Isitha sakho kube ukwamkela isimo esingakho kahle empilweni yakho wanqila kusona. Umuntu omthandile wangakuthandi yena back akusisitha. Isitha kuzoba yilama feelings because they take time to leave you. Hey! Because the very same person is the very same person that will date Ntabiseng and love Ntabiseng. Meaning is umuntu loyo akazange abe nenkinga, inkinga ibe ukuthi wena uye wamamkela, wathatha inhliziyo wayifaka esimweni somuntu. So a person is not a problem. Hey! Yo! No, aningizwa guys. You are not listening. For the fact ukuthi you are still facing the same situation you were going through 20 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 2 years ago, it is because there's something in you need to discover. Why let's say masingagegela uma ngabe awuna next week? Yeah? And manje awuna next angikhulumi ngemali, angikhulumi ngani ngithi wena. Ngikhuluma ngamandla akho. Uma ngabe wena you are nothing. Uma ngabe you are nothing. Uma ngabe you are worth nothing. Uma ngabe your feelings are worth nothing. Why does the situation not leave you? Zibuza. It is because there's something in you. The situation isazunza ngoba ibonile ukuthi wena wazi. Isituation isazunza ngoba iyabona ukuthi wena awuzazi ukuthi ubani. Therefore yona isuke ibalile mayizabuye ukuthi kulo muntu ngiyophuma ngijabulile, kulo muntu ngiyophuma nginomnotho, kulo muntu ngiyophuma ngihlakaniphile. Situation. Because a situation is created by our choices. Lena ke mntasekhaya. No. Kanti khuluma bani la? Guys, ngathi ngiyahlanya. Isimo obhekene naso si-create-wa ama-choices. But because you are human, you don't want to acknowledge your bad choices. Therefore, you need to point a finger at someone, yila soba khona nezitha engakaze zibe khona, yila sobona khona ubuthakathi ebungakaze bube khona empilweni yakho, because isimo sikuyenza ukuthi ube lazy into acknowledging your mistakes so that you can point at someone else's mistakes. No. Ayi. Mara niyangizwa ye? Hayi aningizwa kahle. Ngithi kuwe mina isimo hayi. Ngicela ukunekela. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngedwa. Ngicela ukuyekela ukuba live and talk to myself. And talk to myself. Let me listen. Kunezimo othi mawubhekene nazo uma ngabe uneqiniso kuwena, you look back, it is because of the bad choices. It's because of the bad choices we have made in life. But ngoba asifuni ukuthi umuntu ukhombe la, sifuna umuntu ukhombe le, yingakho sizothi no, ngithakathiwe. No, ubani bani wathi? No, yulo ya, yulo, because kunele simo obhekene naso. No, yazini bakwethu baba yini. uNkulunkulu nibusise ibe nomhawu kumina. Nikhuleke mihla namalanga nimazi owadala izulu nomhlaba, because at the end of the day, you need to belong somewhere. I do not care what you believe in. As a healer, Liana, you making noise? It's fine. I'm busy. I'm coming. As a healer, as a spiritual person, I'm not here to tell you that you need to believe in your ancestors. I'm not here to tell you what to believe in, but I'm here to share my little knowledge. I don't care what you believe in, but make sure what you believe in, you put your heart in it. Make sure what you believe in, you believe in it 110%. I don't care what you believe in. I'm not here to change your mind. Who am I? Because I'm also human. Just because I'm Tasile, just because I believe in my ancestors, I'm not here to tell you to believe in your ancestors, but I'm here to say, find yourself. Stay true to yourself. Belong somewhere spiritually. That's okay. Even if you can take a rock and put it in a room and pray at that rock, at the end of the day, the creator of heaven and earth is the one that created the rock. So whatever that you believe in, it will eventually lead you to the creator. Whatever you believe in this world will eventually lead you to the creator. Hi, Kosia. Hey. Yo! Hi guys, nah. It's okay. It's okay. You need to belong. You need sense of belonging. You need wabona ingane uma ngabe inabazali uma bayishaya esikoleni, the first thing yomtshela umama, because they belong. Because they belong. Now, if you are a human being and you do not belong anywhere, where do you cry to? Ingane mayizo belonga kumama, umayithi I'm going to tell my mom. Automatically does not mean umama muzok overpower, but it's because we ask good, see, there's someone I can lean on. So now umangabe you believe in your ancestors, now umangabe you believe in God, now umangabe you believe in a rock, it is because you need to lean at something spiritually. You are not saying God will fight your battles, but you are not saying, I know my Redeemer lives. Ay! Suka, again. Guys. When you believe in your ancestors, when you believe in God, whatever you believe in, it's because you know it lives. Hi, Papa.